OnePlus does not have a solid history of updating their smartphones and tablets in a timely manner. However, things have been changing as of late, and the OEM has even beat out the likes of Samsung when it comes to its rollout of Android 15. So today, I want to highlight all of the smartphones and tablets from OnePlus that have started to receive the update to OxygenOS 15, while also pointing out the other devices that are scheduled for the Android 15 update. About a month ago, OnePlus began pushing out its stable build of Android 15 to the OnePlus 12 series around the world. This includes the OnePlus 12, OnePlus 12R, and the Genshin Impact variant of the OnePlus 12R. The next devices that began receiving the big update to OxygenOS 15 included the OnePlus Pad 2, followed by the OnePlus Open. While the tablet has received the update globally, the company began rolling out the update to its foldable within the country of India, and it will take some time before this is expanded to other parts of the globe. The more affordable devices they sell, including the OnePlus Nord 4, the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G, and the OnePlus Nord CE4, have also started seeing the OxygenOS 15 update rolling out throughout India. Just be aware that it can take some time before these updates reach everyone throughout the world. When those firmware updates have reached the majority of the user base, we will then begin to see Android 15 pushed out to the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G, the OnePlus 10T 5G, and then the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Lastly, we are expecting to see OnePlus releasing its OxygenOS 15 over-the-air update to the OnePlus 10R 5G, along with the OnePlus Nord CE3 5G. The company is testing the update via public betas first, so be on the lookout for those. Then, once they are happy with the user experience from the public beta test, we will start to see the full stable build released for all of the devices mentioned here. I do appreciate the work that OnePlus has been putting in lately when it comes to over-the-air firmware updates. They still aren't even close to other smartphone OEMs like Google or even Xiaomi, but they have come a long way throughout the years. I hope to see the Chinese smartphone maker expanding its operating system update promise, like we saw from Google last week, but that honestly seems unlikely at the moment. However, going forward, they may be able to continue the momentum that they've been building. Let me know if you've been able to install OxygenOS 15 on any of your OnePlus devices. Personally, I haven't purchased a phone from them since the OnePlus 6, but I have had my eye on the OnePlus 13 as of late. And please, remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android news like this.